And can you please put away the shapes back in the bag? Good job. We pick up after ourselves.
Bye, shape.
Goodbye, shapes. Yeah, once we tidy up, we can have a snack.